Welcome to this new video on More Like Tech. I'm very happy that you are here with me so we can see together how to install Windows 11 Preview. I created this PDF to show you step by step to how to get this update. The reason behind creating a PDF with steps instead of doing it on the screen is that I already did this before. I already did all the steps, and as you can see I'm already downloading Windows 11. So you need to sign into Windows Insider. Windows Insider program basically gives you access to the latest Windows updates, so you can test it and give them your feedback before they can release it to the public. So how to sign in to Windows Insider program to get Windows 11 earlier? Just follow the steps I will show you in this PDF, and I will explain every step so you won't get lost. Step 1. Go to the Windows 10 Settings menu, then go to Update and Security. Step 2. Check the left menu and you will see the last option that says Windows Insider Program. Step 3. Click the Get Started button. Step 4. Click Link an Account. Step 5. You'll need a Microsoft account to sign up as an insider, however, as a local account won't work. Log in with your work, school or your Microsoft account in order to join the Insider program. Step 6. Select the Dev channel. This is the first station of a build testing. If you want to test the Windows 11 now and earlier, you should select Dev channel. Step 7. Click Confirm. Step 8. It's important that you restart your computer, and install any missing Windows 10 update in order to get the Windows 11 update. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you understood the explanation. There are more videos coming to this channel covering Windows 11, its features, its error-solving methods and many more. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any Windows 11 updates. See you later.